Hello, I'm making a different type of video this week. I'm putting a spotlight on the Erris Gaeltacht in Maigh Eo, one of the 3 Gaeltachts in County Mayo. I've been coming out to this region for years and years, long before I knew a single word of Irish or had any interest in the language, primarily coming out surfing and just because it's one of the most beautiful places in the country. After learning how to speak some Irish over the last year, I thought it'd be a cool idea to go out to the Erris Gaeltacht, speak with the local people, stop, talk to random people, ask them random questions, and just see really how many native Irish speakers are living in the Erris Gaeltacht. Wikipedia is not the most reliable source, but it says there's roughly 10,000 people living in the barony of Erris, and somewhere between 5,000 and 3,500 of them are native Irish speakers. Lastly, I am from the United States. My wife is from Donegal. She is an Irish speaker. She's not from the Gaeltacht, not a native speaker, and I have learned most of my Irish from her, her family, and a few friends along the way. I do not have perfect Irish, and you will notice in this video, I do make tons of mistakes. So my plan is to walk around Erris and just talk to people. So I just talked to that guy fishing out in the pier. Sounds like he was from the north or something. No Irish. The holidays. So still gotta find someone local. Hiya. From here, are you?
I am originally, yeah.
Alright. I guess we'll get good.
Sorry?
Do you have Irish?
Oh, well, will you go say?
Good man yourself.
Oh, will.
Aye. Well, is that...
The
statue here. The statue to America, she can't, I saw still the normal one here. Aye. So to bless Cadogan.
We'll go on the other invention.
Aye, we'll tell me just Sliga.
Oh, Sliga.
Aye. Yeah. So, if we need you to go to Bill Moore, the Tomar here, surf file. So, it's Turais Siar bíonn. Aye. I'm going to land in like a cainte shit. I'm going to land. Oh, sorry. Aye. Aye. Hi, guy. Right. Oh, tell me Turais Siar there.
Well, I haven't to.
Thanks to my tete. Oh, sorry. I'm just going to just put a little wine in. I just made the one bottle.
Of course you can.
Yeah. Hiya. How much have I asked us before? You still open?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Oh, you're alright. No, finish the cigarette. Don't worry about me.
Brazil, so she speaks Portuguese.
Right.
So I'm learning a little bit of Portuguese and she's learning a bit of English off me.
Alright.
It's really cool.
Oh, that's very good. Well, Gaelic I can faster. Neil Gaelic.
Neil Gaelic.
I want to ask Cantor Chef. Alright.
No, I should know more. And I used to know more. I got like a good grade in leave reserve, but it's all out of my head.
Are you from here?
Not really, but I grew up and went to school here.
Alright, okay. It's the Gaeltacht technically in the town, is it? Yeah.
So I should know more.
So was school all through Irish and that?
No, but national school was.
Alright, okay. So up until like age 12 or something?
11.
Gotcha. I'm walking through Belmullet now. Hey, come on, let's get. I'm going to ask that. Sorry, are you from here? Do you know if there's any bookshop or nobody mission?
Where are you from?
Boston, the statue here.
Boston City.
Aye. And we're getting it.
Niall.
Have you a surfboard?
I do, yeah.
Do you?
Yeah, surfboard, right?
They're back the Tuesday.
Hiya. 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 See my testing.
So the 8-year-old.
When I get in now to the board again, when the I don't know.
Kind of back.
I'll careful, we'll get
Please,
it.
sir.
Right.
6 months.
Thank you.
6 months of tomorrow night. Once you're out before that. Oh, well, yeah.
No, it's lovely.
Or
Thank
fast,
you.
give me that.
Chance it anyway, see you. Yeah. See then.
Sir, I want to ask, can't I, sir? Oh, sorry, are you from around here? No. Oh, you're right. Oh, very good. Oh, sorry. I was just wondering, I'm looking to practice my Irish. Is there any place around the area where you have a good chance of finding people with Irish? Or
You have to go back on the peninsula.
Yeah.
Down to Black Sod, County Mayo. They all
All
speak
right.
Irish back there.
Gotcha. Would there not be as much in the town? Would there not?
McAndrew's shop has a fair
Oh, Carol and the Cantors, yeah.
Right.
She's Irish.
Abo Gaeltacht agus.
Well, not
Big on.
Well done. Agus the hen will Gaeltacht leaf for good.
Oh, you're talking Northern Ireland Irish. You don't want to hear
Aye. Well, that's. Aye. Well, is that to the name of one Keely? So.
You don't know.
Aye, but one Keely. Is that the statue to him,
I'm
Mister?
going to bed first.
Oh no, come on, yeah.
Where do you go? You're from?
No, I'm from America. My wife's from Donegal.
Oh, your wife is from Donegal.
Yeah.
Well, Tom
Well-
Gaeilge and Jeffrey done Gaeilge in Shaw.
Aye.
Gaeilge Donegal and Gaeilge Connacht.
Yeah.
You would say ta.
Yeah, I have to stop saying aye. Yeah.
Say ta.
Yeah.
Yeah, kept me,
They say
Wait.
ta.
Yeah.
kept me good at Gaeilge Bale Fetish. Oh.
Aye.
Johnny Adams. Ooh.
I'm blasting she Conde. Aye. Yeah. My wife's from right on the border with Derry, so she sounds like Jerry Adams. I make fun of her.
Do you?
Yeah.
Well, keep at it.
That's it. What are you? Good. What will go surfer?
Huh?
What will go surfer?
Stefan?
You going surfing?
Oh, me?
Aye.
God, no. Are you?
Thinking about it, aye.
Yeah?
Yeah. I think you're checking the surf out there.
No. You get a lot of, now my family are from around here. You get a lot of Germans and Dutch come here.
Oh, come on, let's go. I want to encounter you. I'm willing to get them in cafe in the beer on the cafe. Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, sorry. I want to encounter you. I want to encounter you. Are you from around here?
Yeah.
Would you ever see anybody surfing out there? Yeah. I'm also going to actually be kind of milshin the relation.
Sorry?
I'm not actually being sure kind of milshin the shop of build. You know what I mean?
A shop.
Aye.
Just go around the corner and then take the second exit off the red button on your left-hand side.
Come on. What class is that here?
What?
Are you from the United States?
Yeah.
So am I.
Oh, where are you from?
Boston area.
Colorado.
Right. Alright, come on, let's get. I want to deal on the Rudy Machine contest. Is there any like what do you call it? Restaurant or anything around here?
Balmullis would be your nearest point.
What would be the easiest way to get there?
You go,
Anything to drink? Just a good news. Come on off. Just the water, sorry. Perfect. Alright, come on, let's get. Come get the cainte. I want to get cowl Turais Siar. You know on the sign is Turais Siar. It was like
I take it over.
Nial.
down to that where it's the T and turn right, is it?
Yeah, cheers here. Yeah.
Alright, thanks so much.
Alright.
Hi, Jimmy Tattoo. How much have I got?
Good man yourself.
I want to Patrick Murphy, is it? Oh, Park, Ryan. Nee, is dat voor het Carnaval Chile? Is dat de statue die Amerika? Tá blas ní ceara gomsa.
Bus, you know, the stage, but I guess.
So bhí mé gírí go fálam faoi cantar se agus cleachta a dhéalaigh.
Tá ceangal mór in Gaeltacht na olú, cúigeolú.
Right?
Cúigeolú, mar just say cúigeolú. Tá cantar se is tuais go Maigh Eo, tá ceangal mór in na cúigeolú. Gal siar go dtíon céad. Oh, an céad BC, agus céad AD, agus an se.
Sécars fodó.
Tá ceangal mór an. Agus a ríist in sin. Bhí man sin na háte se, agus man sin tíochanna na gal go sásta na batí na pátí mar just.
Aye.
Agus a sin a pósta.
Má fásu?
Oh, bhí go leor féras an áit a pósta.
Right?
Dún an áit.
So ro landini as chakar fodó bhí landini as chakanal agus na sé condé an roshi dig
Oin seo.
an roshi an se.
Bhí.
Aye.
Tá go leor swainne oin seo.
An siomra se leis na heáin is
Ferry go gan is céfi lethir.
Jahui, ha?
An ferry as fadú mo sé go gan is céfi lethir.
Bit sin go isteach sin is go bhfuil Seán de Bheadh. Sin an fad an isteach.
Wales.
Well, sin is an harpoon.
Sécars. Tá bhna harpoon?
Sin an
Oh, this thing.
harpoon, yes.
Did you harpoon yelling?
To slay the whale. Could you get one of my shot? Wait.
Thank you for watching this far. I had a great time making this video. Everyone in Erris was just so nice. Great weather, beautiful part of the country. There were a few interviews, or I should say a few conversations that didn't make it on camera. I did meet someone that had very good Irish and was happy to talk to me about surfing and talking about which beach to go to. And then I met a few other people that didn't have any Irish. But you kind of get the picture. There really are native Irish speakers in Erris. They are not the majority, they're minority. And I would say most of them are older. So that's that. Not very scientific, but hope you guys like the video.